Saturday, the big day, the last day of the Danchuk Trifive Nationals. Thanks for showing up this morning. Beautiful day. No moisture this morning. Lots of sun. Put your sunblock on. We're getting ready to go hot on the drag strip here shortly.
Saturday morning, probably around 10 o'clock.
So the gassers will get your third and final qualification round at 10 a.m. You will line up in lane 5. Gassers at 10 o'clock, lane 5. Exhibition runs today will be 12, 2, and 5. And open time runs.
Park Juicy right here, in front of Danny's Rod Shop.
And then we will start doing elimination for DOT, stock class, junior eliminator, top eliminator, and the speedway gasser.
Our friends Mike and Joanne are parked here with their 56. They followed us down from York. Yeah, my chair's here, but I think I'm moving back underneath the canopy. Our number is 361. We're member number 95. This is our 4th year here.